guys, so my Icon snorkel or grill lights came today, and it has the tint, the dark tint, smoke tint is what they call it. It's supposed to be white, day running, and yellow blinker. So we'll see how it goes, but what I've noticed, and let me show you here. That's the light, and there's an LED. Of course, it has a hot and ground wire. And then I believe these are what's going to tie into my day running lights and my blinkers. But that's all that came with it. There is no instructions. It's for 2019 Dodge. Okay. We put them in a Scat pack. But yeah, no instructions. So we're gonna try to figure this out ourselves, and I will film it for the next person who's gonna need some help. All right, so now we're about to take this out right here, and please be careful. These, I actually installed a reflective tape around it, which I like, but doing so, even when I was careful, I still wound up, you gotta push them out. And if not, they will break. Like I said, I've broken these and I had to glue them. Oh, there it goes. You just have to be really careful. This is our LED module. All right, something similar to like an HID ballast. I'm gonna put a 3M tape on the back of this and stick it in the panel up here. All right, so I'm actually gonna take out some of the clips. It's easy, you can do it with your hand. Take some of these clips out so I can get to it, so I won't be struggling to get them out there. Like I said, you can do these with your hand. All right, here we go, here we go. Let's see where we can go with this guy here. All right. So I kind of want to come under there. And yeah, I'm gonna take out some of these. This is the plastic one. Just pop your old one out. These are reflective ones, stickers I had. Pop those out. Pop that in. What I did was run it. If you can see, ran it straight through here, through the bumper, and came up through here. And then there's a LED box, which I will 3M. For this, you just pop out the plastic. I'll show you on this side. This side was an experiment first, so I can see if I got it right, but I just popped in the plastic. I ran my wires through the bumper up the top, underneath this panel. Take a couple clips out. And your red wire is gonna go to the white and blue line on the passenger side, and to tap into any black line for your ground wire. That's all I did. All right, so I'll have everything in the description down below, but for your lights with your red wire, you're gonna tap into the white and dark blue line, and that's for your red wire on this side, white and dark blue. And then for your black wire, it's gonna be into one of the black lines for your ground wire on your headlight harness, and that's for the passenger side. On the driver's side is gonna be white and yellow, and then one of the black wires. And so what I did was install them the normal way. Take out your plastic piece, slide these in, run your wires through the panel. I ran them up over because I really didn't see a hole up under. And I ran the yellow wire to the blinker, which is white and tan on this side. And I ran my red wire to the side marker. So when the car turns on, these turn on and they still blink. And that's exactly how you wire them up, or at least how I wired them up. So we're gonna do that on this side, and I'll give you guys a video of how it looks. All right, guys. So on the driver's side, of course, we're going to take out the air box in order to get to the harness right there. So that's what we're doing here. Take out each bolt here, bolt here, bolt here, and unscrew this right here. It's probably like a 10 millimeter. And I just used a Phillips head. Even a flat head will fit these bolts. But get this off real fast. I just used the crescent. That's what I had handy. And this thing will pop right off. And we'll get it going. So I use one hand to do this. Get that off. Take our air filter out. So air filter's out. We take our box out. Just like that. Wow. Now what that does is give us way more than enough room to hit this harness right here. There is a push in. So you push and pull, just like that. All right, so for this next step, we're gonna need our electrical tape, wire strippers and cutters, and also we'll be using some snips as well. All right, so make sure you guys can see this. All right. Okay. So I have my black and red here. Of course, my ground, my hot and my ground. Just want to make sure you guys can see what I'm doing here. All right. So I'm gonna snip this bad boy right here. And what I did was I actually wired them to my side markers, because from what I understand, you can draw more power from the side marker than you can from the day running light. So we're running power from the side markers. So when the front side markers turn on, the grill snouts turn on. And then we wired our yellow wire, this yellow wire, to the turn signal. Turn signal on the passenger side is white and tan. Turn signal on the driver's side, you have to take the airbox out, is white and light green. And there's two of them, so you're gonna have to figure out which one's giving signal and tie into that one. All right, and that's how I kind of got it wrapped up in there, nice and neat, nice and clean. And I'll show you guys what it looks like. Ikonmotor Sports Grill lights. If you guys have any questions about wiring, what wires to tap into, feel free to leave a message. All right, guys. I was working and daddy duties, but I had to get this video out there. If I'm missing anything, make sure you guys comment below, and I can go over anything step by step for you guys. All right, quick video, try to make it not too long. Pretty self-explanatory. If you guys know how to take out your grill inserts, basically self-explanatory. Pop those out, pop these in, run the wire through. I came up on it over here because it was hard to find something down there, and then I tied into the left turn signal into the side marker. All right, guys.